Welcome to the amazing world of Thousand Vlogs. The Marine Life Institute in Port Discovery is dedicated to the study of sea life while inspiring people to be aware of and care for the oceans. They have created a new material called chisymenium that shrinks when electricity is applied. The Nemo and Friends Sea Rider attraction uses chisymenium to shrink guests to fit inside a fish-shaped submarine called Sea Rider, which is equipped with artificial intelligence to allow Sea Rider to act like a real fish. Sea Rider is dropped into the ocean with guests inside, where you meet Nemo, Dory, and other recognizable characters as they set off on a unique adventure across the ocean. Before you set off inside Sea Rider, you're presented with a short pre-show. An aquarium with a large-sized Sea Rider is in the middle of the room, with a large curved screen on the top. Here is where a video is played explaining the Sea Rider vehicle and the Marine Life Institute's new material chisymenium. The Fresh Out of Nemo and Friends Sea Rider explains that you are at the Marine Life Institute to help study animals that live in the ocean. The story is that you're shrunk down and riding in a submarine that looks and acts like a fish. As your vehicle explores the ocean, you'll run into characters from Finding Nemo and Finding Dory. You sit in a giant theater that is actually a motion simulator. The theater tilts, bumps, and rocks in sync with the visuals on the screen. Think of it as a more gentle version of Star Tour. Please like, share, and subscribe. Nemo and Friends Sea Rider is almost as far back from the park's entrance as can be. Because of that, its lines are slower to build, but once they do, they remain steady until park closing. We recommend riding first thing in the morning, near park closing, or using a fast pass. Nemo and Friends Sea Rider attraction in Port Discovery at Tokyo DisneySea. Guests board a submersible that shrinks to the size of a fish to explore the wondrous world of marine life from the same point of view as Nemo and Dory from the Disney Pixar films. Guests also meet Destiny, the whale shark, and Hank, the octopus from Finding Dory.
なかなか楽しかった。
パパ大好き。楽しいの大好き。行きましょう。
今日はもう十分楽しんだと思うよ。さようなら。
いいな。またね。
さようなら。
いいな、気をつけてね。気にしないで。
おかえりなさい。海には何度訪れても新しい発見がありますよね。またいつでもシーライナーに乗って海底探索の旅に参加してください。待っています。
The outside is a beautiful ocean blue with subtle and not so subtle silhouettes of various characters from the Finding Nemo universe. The large mural is my favorite part, with all the different sea life swimming around. Have you been to Tokyo, Japan? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below. Please do watch our other Tokyo, Japan playlist. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.